Meaning of grisly.
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 Grisly. The word grisly is an adjective that describes something extremely unpleasant, involving death or violence. The term is often associated with something gruesome or horrifying. When something is described as grisly, it implies a sense of disgust or fear. The word can be used to describe a variety of things, including crime scenes, accidents, and horror movies. In essence, the term paints a picture of something that is macabre, gruesome, and unsettling. Overall, the word grisly evokes a sense of horror and revulsion.